Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. Now in this video I am going to show you how to make an image circle in photopea. Let's get started. At first you have to open your photopea software. Then go to the rectangle and click ellipse. Now press Ctrl Shift on your keyboard and draw the and click move tool. Then go to the file menu and click open and place. Select a photo. Firstly select the photo and click open. Now I am increase the photo size. Then click this tick mark. Then go to the layer and click right on your mouse and click clipping marks. Then select to shape and click right on your mouse and click Mars layer. Now you can see make an image circle in photopea very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.